Hi guys, Drew here from Prepared Camping. I've been on Amazon again. Got myself one of these little Tomshoo survival kits. As you can see there, it comes in this cool little case that's supposed to be waterproof, which we should test in a bit. But first of all, let's look at dimensions. So, is 15.5 centimeters long, or 6 inches. 10 centimeters wide, or 4 inches, and 4.5 centimeters thick, or 1 3/4 inches. And the whole kit weighs 407 grams, which is 14.36 ounces. So, let's test it for waterproofness. Well, it floats. So, it floats, so the case is good. I like its way it's got these two little bits here, so you could attach it to something quite easily. What do you get inside? Well, as you saw a minute ago, an emergency mylar blanket, paracord bracelet, some paracord, little compass, we'll put a battery in that in a bit and we'll try it out later. Another whistle. Now these little saws, they're not great, but it's something to have in there. Fire steel, pretty good size one actually, and a couple of carabiners. And they're locking carabiners, not for climbing, it says there on the side of it. Not sure if you can quite see up there. Yeah, not bad, a little 11-piece kit. To be fair, I'm quite impressed with the fire steel. That's much larger than what I was expecting to be in there. Does the job. Don't know if you can see that, I'll do it here. Yeah, good spark off that. The compass is a bit basic, but it works. So yeah, all in all, pretty good kit. The bracelet comes 9 inches or 23 centimeters long. It should fit most people's wrists fairly easily. Put that on top. Apologies for the chicken noises in the background if you can hear it. So there, it's nice, reasonable size, good comfortable fit. Probably change this off for something else. Again, some sparks off it. So it does the job. So if you see here on the cordage, it's nylon sheath on the outer, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 inner strands. So not 100% sure what the strength rating of this is, but it's a good bit of cordage and it should do most camping jobs for you. So with the cordage, the carabiners and the mylar blanket, you could easily make a shelter, and you could get a fire going with the spark if you had suitable tinder and kindling. Like most of these kits, you can always swap the equipment in and out, and I quite like the case. I mean, just for that alone it'd be worth a couple of pounds, because you could easily put a decent fire kit or something in that, bit of tinder, things like that you want to keep nice and dry. So yeah, as an overall kit, I like it. As always, description will have all the links and everything like that down below. If you like this, please leave a comment, maybe a thumbs up, and who knows, maybe subscribe. Till next time, take care.